When you're hunting for a big screen upgrade, you'll often hear OLED and other wide gamut of LED tech terms being thrown around. But truly, the masterpiece is LG's QNED technology. It's a unique wide color gamut technology that uses quantified nano enhanced display and mini LED backlighting to deliver the kind of brightness and color pop that even stands out in big bright rooms. And that's exactly what I've got here today. The 139cm LG QNED 8GM Mini LED TV. It sits in the price range of about 65 to 75,000 and promises a lot of marvelous features. It's got richer, more accurate colors with LG's dynamic QNED color, mini LED tech, 4K upscaling, Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos, and the upgraded LG AI experience and much more. So let's get down to it. Once powered on, it's clear this isn't your average LED TV. The TV interface is a fluid, interactive experience, and at the heart of this experience is LG's Alpha 8 AI processor 4K Gen 2, which uses deep learning to analyze what you're watching and optimize picture and sound scene by scene. From vibrant sports broadcasts to dark movie sequences, the AI dynamically adjusts brightness, contrast, and sharpness for stunning realism. On the audio front, AI Sound Pro kicks in to deliver a wider, more immersive soundstage, virtually upmixing standard audio into rich, multi-dimensional sound that feels like it's coming from all around you. Thus, your movie night will be a treat since you have 4K AI super upscaling and also Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos combining together to deliver a truly cinematic experience with ultra-vivid visuals and immersive surround sound that fills the entire room. But the real magic of this TV lies in its QNED display panel itself. This is where the all-new QNED dynamic color shines with its unique wide color gamut technology that uses quantified nano-enhanced displays, and the result is colors that are not just brighter but incredibly accurate and consistent even in brightly lit rooms. Thus, it results in certified 100% color volume with LG QNED EVO, as has been independently tested by Intertech. The blacks are deeper, highlights are punchier, and there's a level of contrast that puts most LED TVs to shame. The magic starts when you switch on the TV and it recognizes your voice with Voice ID and gives you a personalized welcome message and gives AI recommendations tailored to the user. Of course, this being an LG AI TV, it comes loaded with intelligence that makes daily use effortless. Forget endless scrolling, just ask, find me an action movie involving cars. And AI search gets it right instantly. Need help tuning your picture or finding the right mode for gaming? AI chatbot will guide you step by step like a built-in assistant. It's like having a help agent helping you operate the TV at its best settings. And when you're not sure what to watch next, AI Concierge learns your habits and recommends the perfect content for your mood or time of the day. It's smart, intuitive, and surprisingly personal, all powered by LG's advanced AI platform. And for gamers, this TV is just as exciting. Super fast 144Hz variable refresh rate with AMD FreeSync and auto low latency mode ensure every frame stays smooth and responsive. It's built for both binge watchers and battle-hardened gamers alike. Another great feature baked into its webOS software is LG Channels. It's kind of like your gateway to free premium streaming content. There's no subscription needed, no downloads, just hundreds of live and on-demand channels showing you movies, news, music, sports, and more. It's a great addition that makes the TV feel complete right out of the box. Also adding to the fun is the launch of LG's gaming portal. It's a transformative step in home entertainment that brings console-free gaming to LG smart TVs, which globally has over 4,000 cloud stream titles and over 600 free single and multiplayer games. With Xbox Cloud Gaming as its key partner, this means that the experience will just get better. Pairing the SQ70TY with my LG QNED has been an absolute game changer, instantly making the setup feel more refined and complete. And thanks to its WOW bracket, it mounted seamlessly without any extra drilling. And with WOW Synergy kicking in, the interface and the audio features synced beautifully with the TV, making everything feel unified. I genuinely didn't realize how much I was missing. The moment I connected the soundbar, the jump in audio quality was dramatic, especially with its powerful 3.1.1 channel 400 watt output. Movies suddenly became fully immersive, and with Dolby Atmos, a center-up firing channel and triple level spatial sound, audio now surrounded me from all directions, even from above. So to quickly recap, the LG QNED AI TV blends vibrant QNED color, AI-driven picture and sound optimization, cinematic excellence with Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos, advanced gaming with 144Hz variable refresh rate, and powerful connectivity, and it's all wrapped in a single sleek modern design. And when paired with an LG soundbar, it transforms your home into a complete entertainment hub, cinematic, intelligent, and effortlessly premium. If you're looking for a TV that brings next level brightness, color accuracy, and smart control together in one package, the LG QNED deserves your attention. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a like and a share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Peace.